Have you ever wondered if money could actually grow on trees? Well, not literally, but there are platforms that can make your money work harder for you. One such platform is Stashway. But does money really grow on Stashway? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Stashway. Stashway is an automated investment platform that uses algorithms to invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. The platform is designed to be easy to use, even for beginners. You simply choose a risk profile, deposit your money, and let the algorithms do the rest. How does Stashway work? Risk profiling. You'll start by answering a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. This helps Stashway determine the appropriate investment strategy for you. Portfolio allocation. Based on your risk profile, Stashway will allocate your money across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Automated investing. The platform uses algorithms to automatically rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired risk level. Diversification. Stashway invests your money in a diversified portfolio, which helps to reduce risk. Does money really grow on Stashway? The short answer is, it can. However, it's important to understand that investing involves risk. Past performance is not indicative of future results. To maximize your chances of growing your money on Stashway, consider the following. Long-term perspective. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect quick riches. Consistent contributions. Regular contributions to your Stashway account can help you accumulate wealth over time. Reinvesting dividends. Reinvesting dividends can help you compound your returns. Staying informed. Keep up to date with market news and economic trends. The role of time and compound interest. One of the most powerful tools in investing is compound interest. Over time, your investments can grow exponentially thanks to the compounding effect. Stashway can help you harness the power of compound interest by automatically reinvesting your earnings. Potential drawbacks and considerations. While Stashway offers a convenient way to invest, it's not without its drawbacks. Fees. Stashway charges a management fee for its services. Market risk. Your investments are subject to market fluctuations. Lack of personalization. While Stashway uses algorithms to make investment decisions, it may not be as personalized as working with a human financial advisor. Is Stashway right for you? Stashway can be a great option for those who want to start investing but don't know where to start, prefer a hands-off approach to investing, are comfortable with a certain level of risk. However, if you have specific financial goals or a complex financial situation, you may want to consider working with a financial advisor. So, does money grow on Stashway? The answer depends on various factors, including your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and market conditions. While Stashway can be a useful tool for growing your wealth, it's important to do your own research and make informed decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.